So now I want to try to build our Docker environment. And so the first step is npm run build. And so you can see that it failed here. And so if I go to Docker Compose, I can see that there's a problem with my YAML. And it's that the backend block is too indented. So I want to undent it one. And I also did the same thing with the front end. So YAML is super finicky with how indented stuff is, so you really have to pay attention to it. So now I go and do run build, and it fails again, and it says that Docker isn't running. So now I can launch that on my Mac, and I can wait for it to start up. I'm accelerating it now, but it will take a minute or two. So once that's going, I now can do the npm run build, and it will go to build all the containers that need building. And so in this case, it will be the Prisma container, the backend, and the front end. So the MySQL container, since it's already built, it won't do anything at this step. So there's still a problem with this, and this is the issue where one of my Docker files is in an invalid version of Node. So I can fix that. And then when I do an npm start, we can see that it comes up. And so now I should be able to go to all the UIs. So I go to localhost :3000, and you can see that it loads. I can now go to 4000. You can see that the backend Prisma or GraphQL Playground is running. And then finally I can go to port 5555, and we can see that the Prisma UI Studio is running. So now we can kill it by running npm stop. And we can now do a commit. So we can go git add period and then git commit. And so we can make a commit of all the files that we just added.